In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo to buy ETF. By the end, you'll feel confident placing your first ETF order, even if you're brand new to the app. First, open your account and add funds. Sign into the Moomoo app and make sure your account is fully set up. If you plan to buy a US-listed ETF, deposit money and convert it to USD so you have the right currency ready. Before moving on, check that your cash is shown as available to trade. Sometimes deposits need a little time to clear before orders can be placed. Next, find the ETF you want. The simplest way is to use the search bar at the top of the app and type the ticker symbol like VOO, SPI, or QQQ. If you're browsing, you can also head to the Markets tab and look for the ETF section to explore categories and popular funds. This discovery step helps you narrow down exactly what you want to buy before placing any trade. Open the ETF's page by tapping its name. Here, you can see the current price, recent performance on the chart, top holdings, and the expense ratio or other fees. Taking a moment to review these details helps you understand what the ETF tracks and what it costs to hold over time. When you're ready, tap Trade and then Buy. This brings up the order screen. ETFs on Moomoo trade just like individual stocks, so the process will feel familiar if you've placed stock orders before. Choose your order type. A market order is the simplest. It aims to buy instantly at the current available price. If you want more control, use a limit order and set the maximum price you're willing to pay. If the market is moving quickly, a limit order can help you avoid paying more than you expect, though it may take longer to fill if the price doesn't reach your limit. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can specify the exact number of shares, or if fractional investing is available for that ETF in your region, enter a dollar amount to buy a portion of a share. This is handy for getting started with a smaller budget. Finally, review your order carefully. Check the ticker, order type, price, and quantity. When everything looks right, tap Buy and then confirm. That's it. Your order will execute based on the settings you chose, and once it fills, you'll see the ETF in your portfolio. If you placed a limit order, it may show as pending until the market reaches your limit price.